Hello friends, I'm Monica. Welcome to Fun Gardening. Today's video is about a very common and very beautiful plant, the hibiscus plant. It is also called China rose plant, rose mallow plant or shoe flower plant. Hibiscus is an evergreen plant. Flowers of hibiscus are large, attractive, but they do not have scent. They come in different colors, different variegations. Nowadays, many varieties of many crafted varieties are available. Dwarf varieties are available. Different sizes of flowers, different colors of flowers are available. It is a very beautiful plant. Grow your potted hibiscus plant in lightweight, well drained and rich soil. Soil should be rich. Hibiscus plant likes rich soil. You can create ideal soil by mixing 1 part of soil, 1 part of organic matter, that is cow dung manure or vermicompost, and half part of sand. In this plant mixture, we are taking half part of sand because the plant likes well drained soil, as well as the soil should hold some moisture because it likes moisture also. So the organic matter in the soil will provide nutrition and will hold optimum amount of moisture for the plant. Make sure the planter drains well. The drainage hole should be good or well in your pot. Keep the soil moist, not soggy. As I said, this plant likes moist soil. These hibiscus plants need lots of water, especially during warmest months when they are blooming. Summers are their blooming period. Hibiscus plants bloom from March until October, November. So this is their growing period. During this period, water your plant every day. Don't overwater your plant. Try to give your hibiscus plant warm water. Never use cold water. This plant does not like cold water. Place your plant in a sunny place. Hibiscus likes sunny place. It likes at least minimum 2 to 4 hours of full sun. If you grow your plant in shady area, the plant will grow without sunlight, but it will not bloom without at least 2 to 4 hours of direct sunlight every day. So place your plant in a sunny place. Fertilize your plant weekly during their growth period or blooming period, that means during summers. Fertilizing will result in more abundant flowering. Fertilize with NPK 19-19-19 or 20-20-20. Add half teaspoon of micronutrient powder. Or if you want to use organic fertilizer, you can dissolve 1 handful of 2 handful of cow dung manure in 5 liters of water. Leave it overnight. Then next day, give that water to your plant. That is organic liquid fertilizer every week. You can prepare 10 liter, 15 liter solution. This is a measurement for 5 liters. Shift your plant to any covered area during winters. Winters are the dormant period for this plant. So during winters, shift your plant to any covered area if you live in cold areas, and if you live in hot areas, then leave it in full sun location during winters, and reduce watering. Water your plant alternate day, or don't water as much as during summer season, because during flowering season especially plants require more water comparison to dormant period. Spray neem oil solution every 20 days as a precautionary measure. That will protect your plant from any kind of pests and fungal infection. So every 20 days I spray all my plants with neem oil solution. And how to make neem oil solution, I have made a separate video on that. You can watch that video. In February, prune your plant well to make it bushier, because the more the number of branches, the more the number of flowers. You can use the cut branches as cuttings to grow new plant, as I am showing you. So the friends, this was all about hibiscus plant. If you like this information, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Okay friends, bye.